Our department is a combined department of math and science. A lot of schools have separated them. We have deliberately chosen not to. There's a lot of collaboration between the faculty in the sciences and in the mathematics, whereas at other schools they may be totally disjoint.
We have a long track record of preparing people to either take jobs right after they leave Judson, for example, at pharmaceutical firms or in the plastics industry or with the Environmental Protection Agency.
Math majors also end up in things like education and business are most common.
Or to go on to professional school and get PhDs in biology or chemistry or other fields, or to go into healthcare and become physicians, pharmacists, veterinarians, dentists, nurses, occupational therapists, physician's assistants, and so forth.
We have small classes, which means you have close access to professors, to instrumentation.
Our majors get a lot of hands-on experience in the lab. They get to touch equipment that a lot of people at state universities don't get to see until they're graduate students.
Many of our students have been able to do research with faculty in the areas of space biology and world hunger.
Over the last few years, students have flown experiments on space shuttles, helped people in developing countries with food problems.
We also have an association with an organization called Ensemble. It's a Christian organization and they offer summer courses across the country. And it's a lot of research and studying and it's very hands-on, and the Mathematical Association of America has an Illinois section. We'll take students to those spring meetings and they get to see what other people are doing and compete in contests with other college students. In fact, there's usually a calculus competition every spring. We've had clubs, social activities. Several years ago, the play was downtown Chicago called The Proof, and we took a bunch of students to see the play. We get to talk about the mathematics involved and the gender issues involved. And a lot of times in the sciences and in mathematics, a lot of women don't feel very comfortable sometimes. It's a male-dominated area. But that's not true at Judson.
It's not a heavy competitive kind of environment. We are much more cooperative. Students tend to naturally work together on homework and in labs. You're very likely to interact with faculty on a day-to-day basis.
People are doing serious science, but at the same time they're enjoying being with each other.
That it's real Christians doing real science to solve problems in the real world.